Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect Zapier to Instagram. Imagine a world where you can automate processes between your Instagram account and other applications, saving you time and effort. By connecting Zapier to Instagram, you can create seamless workflows that automatically trigger actions based on your Instagram activities. Whether you want to send an email every time you post a new photo or update a spreadsheet with your Instagram stats, this connection can make your life a lot easier. Today, we'll guide you through each step of setting up this powerful integration. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Zapier website. This is where we will configure everything. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot a login button there. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're someone who prefers quicker access, you can choose to log in with your Google account. This option is not only faster, but also saves you from having to remember yet another password. Something we all appreciate. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself back on the Zapier homepage. Here, you're going to want to locate the Create button. This button is crucial as it allows you to start building what Zapier calls a Zap. A Zap is essentially a customized automation that links two or more apps to complete a task automatically. Upon clicking Create, search for the option labeled Zaps and select it to begin crafting your automation. Now you've reached the setup page, where the first thing you need to do is add a trigger. A trigger is basically an event that sets your Zap in motion. In this scenario, type Instagram into the search bar to find relevant triggers. Make sure to select Instagram for Business when you see it on the list. The next step involves choosing an event that will activate your Zap. For today's tutorial, let's pick the option New Media Posted in My Account. This means every time you upload something new to Instagram, the Zap will kick into action. You'll now need to securely link your Instagram account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a smooth connection. Once your accounts are linked, it's wise to test the connection to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Zapier offers a test feature just for this kind of verification, so click on Test and observe to see if there are any issues. Having successfully set up the trigger, your next focus should be on creating an action. This involves deciding what you want to happen once your trigger is activated. For this tutorial, we're going to use Gmail. So find and select Gmail, then proceed to the next steps. When prompted, choose Send Email as the event you want Gmail to perform. This action will enable you to automatically send an email each time you post new media on Instagram. Just like before, you'll need to sign in, but this time to your Gmail account. After establishing this connection, conduct another test to ensure everything is working as it should. Once all tests are verified and everything is set up correctly, the final step is to publish your Zap. Simply locate the Publish button and click on it. This action will save all your settings and activate your Zap, making it live and ready to work its magic. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully connected Zapier to Instagram, creating an automated process that will save you both time and effort. Here at PMN Online, we hope this guide has been immensely helpful. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to connect Zapier to Instagram. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.